Today in the Smugglers Room, this wannabe solo cup isn't good enough. We need to raise our game around here and provide a better vessel for our beverages. That's coming up. What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian and welcome to the Smugglers Room. This week, this chubby geek is giving you the knowledge to update your glassware to the geekness level that you deserve. That's right, today we are going to do some etching in glass. But first, we need some stencils, so let's fire up the Cricut. Now, for our glass etching, we used our logo and the Cricut Maker to cut out all the stencils. We did an episode on the Cricut a little while back, and we'll link that above and in the description below if you want to check that out. Now, I want to point out that a Cricut Maker is not necessary for this project. You can find reusable stencils on Amazon that have shapes and figures and letters and all other types of different stencils available there. You can also find custom upload stencil websites that will allow you to put your custom artwork, and then they'll make the stencils and ship that to you, and then you can use it on your project. For this, we chose to use a product called Armour Etch, and we'll put links to that product in the description below. And as you will see, it is super easy to apply and takes very little effort to get an awesome result. So let's get to etching. So as you can see, the etching process is super simple. You apply the cream on top of your stenciled area, scrub it in, and then you let it rest. Now, we used a timer on our phone and experimented with all different types of time that we had seen from videos, everywhere from 3 minutes to 20 minutes, and we found that for us, 10 minutes was roughly the sweet spot and yielded the best results. Now, you didn't think etching glass was the only thing we had planned for this week's episode, did you? If you did, then you haven't been watching this channel very long. Nope, we decided that we needed drinks worthy of the vessel and the effort that we put in today. So let's whip up a couple of our favorites. Now, if those ice-cold beverages don't get your geekometer motor running, I don't know what to say. And if you're underage or you simply prefer non-alcoholic beverages, that's fine. For the fashionably oldie one Kenobi, substitute the whiskey for some fresh brewed iced tea. And the Tatooine Sunset, just leave out the vodka and you're good to go. We really hope you enjoyed our fun little detour from regular projects this week. And we hope that there was a little bit of value for your next project in this episode. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that button and don't forget the bell. And we'll see you next time when we build something out of nothing. For this, we used vinyl 6...